Hello guys, so I will show you how to make flag maps on Sketchbook. So first, download it and click this image button and click this first and apply the maps that you have here. You can adjust it too. There. Then add 2 more layers. Then you can now draw flag map. I'll just draw German instead. And almost done.
Nandito yung mga tita ko, kaya naman nag-iya ako naman.
Originally eh.
Then done. Now, click this or this. Choose the random colors that you have. Then click this color image. Then click this image. Then, click this second layer. And click again the image button and the first button there. Apply the flags that you have here. And that, you can adjust your flag now. That. And click this done button. Click the third layer. And click this merge. Then click this again. Click that eraser. Click that color again. And click the background and done. Now you have made flag map. Thanks for watching. Bye.